skin, I trace the cracks above my bed. 117 lines, none of it led anywhere. Clock hands stuck in soda syrup, breathing slow through plastic tubes. Teeth feel wrong in my own mouth. Tongue tastes copper, tastes like truth. This kid was never mine. I rape it off with penalties. Neon crosses blink outside, bless no one, curse everyone. My shadow drags a safety pin, stitches shut what eyes can't see. Radio holds a dead channel, sings the alphabet backwards. Fingernails black from digging out the name they carved behind my ribs. I am the stain that won't wash. I am the stain that won't wash clean. Blasting static and gasoline. They drew me with blue eyes, but I bleed in grayscale. This lightning on my chest is just a scar they gave to mark the beat. Beer is cracked, but still it grins, shows me spitting broken glass. Hair like shattered antenna, catching signals from the void.